Hey, folks, welcome to Market Intraday Analysis by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. This video is for Wednesday, August 15th, 2012. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, markets another flattish type day, but again, a battle continues to be waged, and this is something I talked about yesterday, folks. You have the 140.90 level. This level yesterday was the key level. Let me erase this one. I want to focus on this 140.90 level. If you go to my yesterday video that I put out free to you guys, those of you that watched it, you can clearly see this level was a big level. We hit it many times, and then towards the end of the day, we sold off below it. Today, you've tried to get above it, and each time the market's taking it down below. We went above, down below, and now we're trying to fight back above it. The key is, where does this market close today? Does it close above or below? Above or below? And that will dictate where the market heads in the future. Every time you close below, it leaves it open for a sizable decline in the markets, which will occur if you continue to close below. If you close above, they could float this market up a little bit, although I don't see much upside action. 48.5 million traded on the SPY. I mean, this is about as light as you can have, folks. I will say that we're on pace to probably do about 75-80 million on the trading day on the SPY, which is ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous volume. Volume's been light for the last 2 weeks now, really, as we saw the Olympics going on and coming to a close, and then even to this week with Options X, it's surprisingly light. But the key is, again, it's all a matter of the levels. We know the nexus of the universe has been hit, and that's why the markets have stalled. And I called that nexus out over a week ago that we were hitting it, and we should see the market stall there. Markets have stalled perfectly. We just haven't gotten any major pullback yet. But again, that should be on the horizon. I will continue to monitor it and let you guys know. I've already started to accumulate some positions based on what I'm seeing the charts showing me for the future. I will be continuing to do that. No doubt about it. I will continue to do that. All right, taking a look at a couple key stocks as the markets try to get back above that 140.90 level on the SPY. JP Morgan Chase today up 14 cents, about as flat as can be there. Goldman Sachs is trading right around the flat line as well, although that's well off its highs. Notice how the last few days the financials have gotten a surge at the open and then reversed. And this is a common theme we need to continue to watch to see if it continues. And I seriously mean that this could be a big indicator. Financials are the medium of the market. They're the way the market is going to tell, or how we're going to tell, where this market is heading in the future. So keep an eye on those. No doubt about it. Okay? A couple other stocks to note here. Apple Computer down on the day, or Apple Inc. down on the day. That stock continues its decline. Had a peak yesterday. Since then, it's been straight down. And again, Google, another one that's down. Google hit my master level yesterday on the daily. I gave this level out. It was there for anyone who wanted it to short it. And notice this level right here, guys. Perfect level. Double top from the beginning of 2012. And look at the decline. Yesterday it pierced it, pulled back. Today it pierced it again, made a higher high, reversed. Beautiful sell-off on Google. Okay, so that's what we have going on there. I mean, some other action going on. Dendreon, some takeout rumors, but there's always takeout over rumors on Dendreon. It's really looked at as no big deal anymore. Stock is just so down on itself that, I wouldn't go near it personally. Again, rumors are rumors. They're not to be traded. Only fools trade rumors, really, because by the time the average person gets into them, the rumor is usually ending and then they lose money. But nonetheless, that's the way the markets are functioning these days. All right. A couple other stocks to take a look at. Amazon.com up $2 and change on the day. I don't really see much there. Let's go to the intraday chart, see if we see any key resistance levels. Well, you can see this level here today. This was a nice little level, a little peak area here. Coincides with the high from the day. Then you have another level right up here just in case it squeezes into the end of the day. That would be your secondary resistance level at around the 236.75 level. Next up, let's just go to a couple other charts here. Baidu, how's Baidu looking? BIDU. Yeah, Baidu again is kind of quiet on the day. You can see the pivot top there. And then, again, we had the same type of surge. And we're seeing this a lot. Early in the day, we see this surge, and then the market fades. It used to be the other way around. If you go to last week on the spiders on the S&P, it was early sell-off and then float higher the rest of the day. So things have changed a little bit in that respect, something that we want to keep an eye on. Walmart today trading up 35 cents, a little minor gain on Walmart. Take a look at Qualcomm's QCOM up 24 cents, a little minor flattish type day on Qualcomm as well today. And again, if we look at the VXX, which is the Fear Index ETF tracking of the VIX, you can see that's had a little bit of a sell-off over the last 30 minutes, but again, has been floating right around the flat line for the most part. All right. I think on that note, folks, I'm going to step aside. There's more trading to be done in the intraday stock chat. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Proprietary signals, methodology, trade alerts, swing trade alerts, day trading alerts. It's all here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Research center geared towards the swing trader and the investor, while the intraday stock chat is geared towards the day trader. Talk to you soon, folks. Take care.